Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the atmospheric condenser in Astroneer. This is especially useful for collecting atmospheric resources from planets. As you can see here, you can collect some argon, hydrogen and other kind of atmospheric resources. So first of all, you'll need to research it inside of the research tab. So go to the medium printer tab and on the first row just scroll a little bit to the right until you find atmospheric condenser. This is going to cost you 2200 bytes to unlock, so make sure you've got plenty of them, and once you do, click this green button and it is going to unlock the atmospheric condenser. Secondly, we'll need some ingredients for this. First of all is plastic, which can be made inside of the chemistry lab using some compound, which can be found on every planet on the surface, and carbon, which is made from organics, which are then smelted inside of a furnace to give you carbon. The second ingredient we'll need is glass, and glass is made from quartz, which is found also on every planet but inside of caves, and also you can smelt it inside of the smelting furnace to get glass from it. The last ingredient you'll need is iron. Iron is found as hematite, which is an iron material. You can see this one right here, and it is found only on planets like Novus, which is found inside of caves, and Glacial, where you can find the hematite on the surface. It is going to look like kind of spikes, and once again you can smelt it inside of the smelting furnace to get some iron from it. So once you've gathered all the resources necessary, you'll need a medium printer with a power supply. And on the first tab here, you'll find the atmospheric condenser. So, you can go ahead and click the green button to craft it. Also, you'll need to craft a large platform. You can craft the A option, because the B option and other options are just to enable you have more slots on the platform, but that is not necessary for us. Once you're done crafting all of the things, you can unpack the platform, place it wherever you want the condenser to be, connect it to a grid, and now unpack the atmospheric condenser. We can then place it down. Using the C and V key on the keyboard, we can rotate it. And here you'll just want to press F to examine, and you should find what materials, what kind of gases are on the planet, and how much of it is in here. As you can see, argon is not in here, methane also, but we have hydrogen and nitrogen on Silva. And to check what gases you have on the planet, you can go to this tab where the planets are and just see how many and what gases are available on the planet. Also, to get the required gas, you just want to go ahead and select it and click this green button here, and be sure to have a big enough grid to supply it, because it is going to draw 20 units per second, which is pretty much a big supply. And once it's done, it is going to fill up this container right here and put it inside of this kind of funnel. So this is pretty much all. How to get the atmospheric condenser in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.